All right, let's get you breaking updates now coming in. The senior leaders of the Congress party will be meeting at 4:30 p.m. today. The CWC members and other senior leaders will be present in this meeting with Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge chairing the meet. Discussions would be held on the party's line on the current situation with Pakistan and the recent statements by the US President Donald Trump. So the Congress party is going to chart out what the official position of the party is going to be. Remember, in the previous meeting, the Congress party had said that it is going to extend its complete support to the government. Is there going to be a change in stance or not, especially considering the statements that have been made by the US President Donald Trump? Remember, some of the leaders of the Congress party have been making some statements questioning the government and the question stance, but there has been a contrast. Some of the senior Congress leaders, including P. Chidambaram as well as Shashi Tharoor, have also come out openly in support of the government, hailing the government for the transparency with which it has dealt with the entire issue. But is that going to be the official stance of the Congress party or not? That's going to be decided today. The CWC meeting is being held at 4:30 p.m. today, where the tensions with Pakistan are going to be discussed and the official line of the Congress party is also going to be discussed. This is going to be very crucial because, remember, the BJP has said that this is not the time for politics. But some within the Congress party have also questioned the government on the success of Operation Sindoor. So it will be interesting to see what the official position of the Congress party is going to be on the same. What is going to be the official line of the Congress party? Now, while initially it started off with the Congress party extending full support, there have been a lot of questions also questioning the government as well as the forces as well. Remember, we just played out one of the Congress leaders, Hussain Dalwai, who had also questioned the forces, saying, where is the proof of the 100 terrorists who have been killed in Operation Sindoor? My colleague Pradeep Datta is on the broadcast with us with the details of what can be expected. And Pradeep, there are some leaders from the Congress party, senior leaders like Chidambaram as well as Shashi Tharoor, who have come out in complete support of the government and the transparency with which the entire operation has been conducted. Today's meeting is going to be very crucial because the official line of the Congress party could be decided.